Hello guys, welcome to GoMailer, a robust email marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business seamlessly. With GoMailer, you can create targeted campaigns, automate your emails, and track your results for increased conversion. Today, I will be walking you through the process of setting up, populating, and organizing your audience list for maximum engagement and efficiency. Let's begin by learning how to create an audience on GoMailer.
To get started with creating your audience, simply follow these steps. First, log into your GoMailer account at app.gomailer.com. Then, click on the Create button located in the top right corner of the application. Finally, select Create Audience from the drop-down menu. This immediately takes you to the audience creation page. Creating an audience involves several key steps. Begin by inputting a clear and specific name. Remember, this is the only required field. Next, provide a brief description to help with future reference and organization. Lastly, click the Save button to create the audience. Keep in mind, a well-named and described audience facilitates precise segmentation and targeting in your campaigns. Archiving is another useful feature that allows you to deactivate an audience without losing any data. To archive an audience on GoMailer, navigate to the Audiences page. Select the audience you want to archive, then click Actions and choose Archive. Remember, archived audiences are hidden from active views but remain in your records, maintaining data integrity and providing organizational flexibility. GoMailer's test audience enables you to send free test campaigns to your team. You can add up to 5 team members to a test audience and send unlimited test campaigns, ensuring your emails are perfect before reaching your customers. Here's how to create a free test audience on GoMailer. Start by going to Create Audience. Name your test audience appropriately. Then, select the Use as Test Audience option. Finally, click Save to create it.
In conclusion, we've covered the steps to create an audience, archive audiences, and set up test audiences on GoMailer. These steps are essential for effective email marketing and precise audience targeting. If you're yet to, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.